Good day, everyone. It is Chris Button back again with another walk around. In front of me is the 2019 Toyota Highlander LE Standard Package. So yeah, this is the entry-level Highlander. All Highlanders come with 3.5-liter V6 engine. It has the new 8-speed automatic transmission. It has all the safety features you get in Toyota's Safety Sense P and a whole bunch of other nice things. So you do have nice styled alloy rims. As we get to the back, all Highlanders all come with third row capability. When you want to set it up, just pull this string. It locks into place. If you want to recline it, just pull that top guy there. And then when you want to stow it back down, again, just pull up on this guy and it folds flat. Super simple, right on. As we make our way into the second row, again, you do have quite a bit of space here in the back. Nice armrest here for your backseat passengers. And when you want to fold this guy down, very easy. Pull up on this guy, pull on this guy. Super easy. All right, as we make our way into the front of the vehicle, driver's seat. Windshield wiper de-icer. Always enjoyed this feature when ice and snow gets built up on your front wiper blades. Push that button and it will get rid of it for you. Okay, let's turn this guy on. Right. So, display screen will provide Bluetooth capability as well as backup camera. Handy because you can actually tell where the Highlander ends, and the red line tells you you're 1.5 feet away from whatever is behind you. Here are your temperature control settings. You also have this nice tray here for wallet, smartphone, pack of gum, what have you. Down below, we actually have 3 USB inputs here, and then down below, traction control, vehicle stability control. This snow feature, it's a cool feature that when it is enabled, the vehicle will actually start itself in second gear. So it's really good for traction from a dead stop, downhill assist control, and your 4-wheel lock. 4-wheel lock is going to get you out of whatever mess you can find yourself in, as it will lock your rear differential, which simply means that the tires will spin at the same rate, getting you out of whatever mess you can find yourself in. And here is just a quick look around the Highlander. Again, nice vehicle. And you do have a whole lot of space here in the center console, along with a tray. Good stuff. 2019 Toyota Highlander LE Standard Package in Blizzard Pearl. Thanks so much for watching.